Have you ever thought about the role of nitrogen in agriculture? A component that has previously been so crucial to our existence, it has now been proven to be a threat to our planet and the very soil that it should nourish, or how this element, despite previously being beneficial for plant growth when used as a fertilizer, can cause substantial damage through agriculture runoff. Let's delve into the complex realm of nitrogen usage in agriculture, and it has transformed into a silent but formidable adversary within our ecosystems. In a world besieged by myriad ecological challenges, the insidious effects of something as seemingly innocuous as nitrogen can easily be underestimated, yet they wield a profound impact on our environmental health. However, rest assured, this is a pressing issue that requires our immediate attention, and here's why. Reflect on the situation of Lake Erie, one of the 5 Great Lakes of North America. Here, the detrimental aftermath of nitrogen and nutrient contamination from agricultural leaching, primarily due to chemical fertilizers employed on farms, is glaringly evident. This used to be a vibrant, thriving ecosystem, but presently it grapples with the destruction triggered by fertilizer runoff. The detrimental elements, with nitrogen and fertilizers, seep into the soil and waterways, causing a catastrophic domino effect. This surge in nutrients leads to severe soil degradation and water pollution. They serve as a banquet for algae, which proliferate in substantial dense clusters, turning the water into an unnatural green shade, a phenomenon known as algal bloom. This might not sound menacing, but its cascading effects are far from harmless. The decomposition of these algae upon death consumes massive amounts of oxygen. This leads to what scientists term as dead zones, regions so devoid of oxygen that most aquatic life fails to survive. Moreover, the destructive cycle continues as some of these algae release toxins that damage aquatic life and humans. Picture a circumstance where your local water source becomes undrinkable due to its excessive toxicity. However, this narrative isn't rare. Comparable scenarios are playing out across global agricultural landscapes, from the maize plantations of the American Midwest to the floodplains of Asia's rice cultivation. This is a matter of international concern, and it's intensifying. What about the nitrogen? When it's expelled into the atmosphere as nitric oxide, an unintended consequence of farming processes, it becomes a virulent greenhouse gas, magnifying up to 300 times greater damage than carbon dioxide. That's right, a staggering 300 times. It's not just contributing to the global warming crisis, but also accelerating the obliteration of the ozone layer, causing severe nutrient depletion in soil structure and playing a menacing role in propelling climate change. Such nitrogen and nutrient pollution, largely resulting from the use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture, are causing profound global impacts and soil degradation. Yes, there's hope. We have the power to undo the damaging effects of nitrogen and nutrient pollution. The road to recovery begins with a thorough reassessment of our farming practices. This includes actively seeking alternatives to chemical fertilizers to promote the health of our soils. We need to nurture sustainable farming practices and reduce our reliance on harmful chemicals. It entails financing research and fostering technological innovations to discover groundbreaking methods of dealing and recycling nutrients. As farmers, we can pioneer change. We can choose organic inputs, compost all crop biomass waste, and focus on improving soil health. These minor adjustments, when implemented by millions, can result in a significant transformation. As we wrap up our journey through the intricate world of nitrogen and nutrient pollution, remember this: the decisions we make now will sculpt the environment we pass down to future generations. We are armed with the knowledge, the resources, and the ability to generate change. It's time to act. Us, for our planet, and for the countless species we share it with. Because every breath, every sip of water, every life is vital. Healthy soil equals healthy crops, equals healthy humans, equals a healthy world.